Hi, I'm Bryan. Welcome to Ask Bryan Cheong. This video is to answer a request from one of my TikTok follower, Mr. Subra, to elaborate more on PCB calculations. To me, there are three simple ways to do this. First, do it manually. You can Google for the PCB calculation formula and do it manually. Personally, I think this is a waste of time. You may take 1 hour to calculate PCB for one employee. This is not even the payroll for that employee, just the PCB. So don't do this. Second way, Google for LHDN PCB Calculator, where you just need to fill up information and let the online program to calculate for you. But remember, this is just for the PCB part. You still need to do the payroll manually. Third way, you can make use of KWSP e-Payroll system. Just log into your KWSP Majikan account. You can find the e-Payroll program and process accordingly. For this program, there are some limitations, and most important, please don't make mistake. Once you make mistake, it's a bit difficult for you to rectify it. Of course, the best way to solve your PCB calculation problems or even your payroll program is to get SQL payroll software. You can settle your PCB, EPF, SOXO, EIS, or even the complete payroll calculation with just a click of button. If you want to know more about SQL payroll software or SQL accounting software, or you want to change your support maintenance, contact us directly. Once again, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.